Time to eat.
Time to eat. Tonight we're going to make some shrimp and spaghetti. It's going to be a creamy shrimp sauce. We're going to make it with cream of shrimp soup
Cream of shrimp soup.
and some nice raw shrimp here that we're going to cook. We're going to mix it with some milk and we're going to eat it over top of angel hair pasta.
This is great for cooking. It says right there.
Yeah, well,
Isn't that good? We're using it for cooking?
yeah. I don't know if you guys have ever tried cream of shrimp soup from Campbell's, but you can make a lot of good recipes with it. And
It says you can mix with 1 can of milk. Are we
yes,
going to do that?
right, we're going to use 2 cans of soup and 2 cups of milk. So we're also using some nice shrimp here. It's raw, peeled, deveined, with the tails on. I have a 2-pound bag, which we used half of already, so it's a 1 pound of shrimp that we're going to put in.
That's good. I didn't know it was open.
Yeah, we used it a couple of weeks ago.
All right, we got the water boiling back here. I hear
So
it.
Rick's going to start with the angel hair pasta, and I'm going to start to stir fry the shrimp in the wok. And then
We
we're
got a
gonna
wok.
and this is such an
Yeah.
easy recipe. Yeah, we got the wok.
Wok and roll, baby.
And as soon as we get the shrimp where it's just about done, we're going to add the cream of shrimp soup and the milk. All right, let's get it started. Whew.
We're going, right?
Yep.
Whoa. It's going. That's going to be quick. That's going to be about
Yeah.
8 minutes maybe, right?
Yes.
Want anything in here? Some people put salt in here, right?
Yeah, some people put salt and a little oil. The olive oil's right there if you like.
Little sea salt, a little splash of olive oil. Do you need olive oil in your wok?
Yes, please.
How much?
Go ahead. A little bit more. Okay. That'll get it started. We already turned the burner on,
All right.
and we'll get the shrimp in there, and this is going to be a quick supper.
Yeah. Okay, this is almost done.
Okay, I have the shrimp here. When I thaw it out a little quickly, so I put it in a colander. I'm running some cold water over it.
And my spaghetti's getting done real quick. Pasta word. I turned the heat down because the angel hair goes fast. Ooh, look at that. Side by side. That's going to be quick too, right?
Yep, that's what I'm telling you. It's going to be quick.
Well, then we put the soup in and we're done, right?
Yep, the soup and the milk.
I can use the spurtle here and here, can I?
Sure.
Is that legal?
Oh, we're going to have it loaded with shrimp. I'm glad you love shrimp.
Yep. They're going to turn orange.
Yep.
Aren't you glad?
While the shrimp is warming up here, after I put some very cold shrimp in the pan, I'm going to pull the tails off as they start to cook, because it's much nicer to eat them in a dish like this without the tails.
I agree.
Yeah, Rick doesn't like the tails.
Well, I don't mind, but it's one less step we got to do.
Well, sometimes they fall off.
The angel hair got done fast.
It's still
I
cooking.
knew that.
But the shrimp's very soft now, and it's going to cook fast too. Hope I can get all the tails off in time. They come off a lot easier when they're thawed out a little
Ain't they
bit.
hot?
Not too hot.
We throw 2 sticks of butter in there?
Well, we got a lot of cream in that
Oh, that's
soup.
right. Should I open the cans? Will that help you?
Okay. Good.
Easy flip top opening. Grandpa proof. Oh! Oh, see? What do we look like?
Yeah, isn't that nice and creamy looking?
Yeah. Oh,
It's
it
a
smells,
very rich sauce.
smells strong like bisque, if I can use that word.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
It's bisky. Bisky biscuito. Wish I had biscuits with it. And 2 cans of milk.
The other thing you can do here, you could buy the shrimp without the tails. But this is what we had in the freezer today. So could
Well,
you
they're
pour
getting
2
too hot
cups
for
of
you.
milk also? Here's the measuring cup.
Well, do we want to pour that in the cans? Or it says 1 can of milk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll use the can once I drain these out.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a cup.
So it'll be good.
Tad, half ounces.
It is getting very hot now.
So that's more than a cup, right? Alright, if you leave a couple tails on, that's alright,
Yeah,
right?
I'm gonna leave a couple tails on. It's starting to cook and get hot. And the angel hair is in good shape here, so we're moving right along. Alright, we're gonna pour the shrimp soup in now. Cream of shrimp soup. And
Shrimp soup.
there you'll be able to see this also has some shrimp in it. This is really a wonderful soup, and I know there's some great recipes that we're going to try with this another day. One of them is on the can, and it's for shrimp dip. I know my mom
Holy
used to
shrimp
make.
dip!
Oh my God, it's so good! I've had it already when my mom used to make it.
Wow, that smells really good now. Extra. I'm going to need that for the milk.
I'm going to take the other can while Rick fills the
I
can
bet you
with
we
milk.
wouldn't even need milk because it's going to be nice and creamy.
Yeah, but we want to spread it over top of all this spaghetti, so
Look, that would be a nice creamy spaghetti topping.
or 1 can of soup and 1 can of milk probably, but we're going to have enough shrimp here
Yeah,
for
all right.
leftovers.
Well, add that 1 can of
Okay, here we go. Let's
Well-
blend this in
milk and see
while
that.
it's cooking. Look how nice. Wow.
You going to make this?
Yeah, you guys should try this.
Sure you want another can of milk?
Well, what do you think? Just make it a little bit to rinse the can out.
Half a
Okay.
can.
Yeah, that's good. And we'll get all the rest of the shrimp soup out of the can. Okay. Beautiful.
Delumptious.
Creamy, and it even has like a golden color.
And it smells real good.
That's why we didn't need to add any butter, because it's a rich
Alright.
sauce.
We're eating healthy today.
Alright, we're going to let that simmer a little bit, and we're going to get the angel hair pasta out on our plates.
That's good. I'm ready.
You see now when it gets to bubble like that, how nice and thick it gets. Now it's ready to serve.
I'm here.
Okay. It's a quick table setting here
Gurgle, gurgle.
because Rick's so hungry. This is how we start the conversation of what we're going to make for dinner.
They say, we're going to eat.
What are we making quick? Because I'm hungry. That's what he always says right away.
With the least amount of ingredients.
All right, let me put some angel hair on your plate.
Okay. You gotta go like that. You know how to do that. Just take it out and put it on the plate. Can we bring the wok over here?
Oh, okay.
I can do that. Can I?
Oh, be careful.
No.
Don't hurt yourself. Here's a nice plate of spaghetti.
What else do I want? Some seasoning. You could put any kind of seasoning you want. Could put garlic in here, like kind of like a scampi. You could
Yeah.
sprinkle garlic powder or oregano or anything, but we're just going with this tasty
I'm going to put the
soup dip.
wok on the table.
Squirrel!
Oh, gosh. Here we come. Woo! Look at that. Look at that dish. Now we're going to scoop some out with some nice
Close
shrimp.
up.
Oh gosh, the steam here. Make a little nest in the middle for you, okay?
Yep.
And we'll fill it with shrimp. And then we'll run this nice
Wow.
creamy sauce all over the plate. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that beautiful?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Come on, get it. And lots of sauce. Okay. It needs time to cool off anyway.
A little bit.
Think you would like grated cheese on that?
Oh yeah. That's what you could do. You could melt cheese on there or sprinkle Parmesan, right? Kind of like a spaghetti. It is spaghetti, isn't it? Spaghetti. Oh, nice fine ground
Little
pepper.
pepper.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, watch. Oh my gosh. You want to show them again? That's beautiful.
Coming over. I'm waiting.
I'm
Why let
coming.
it cool?
You gotta let that cool off a little bit.
You want my picture?
Yeah.
Oh, spaghetti.
May I?
What's this called now? Creamy, shrimpy, creamy angel hair. No, you don't take my picture.
Oh, I want to.
Take the food.
Smile at me. We need. No, nice.
Excellent. Come on over.
Okay, I'm ready to eat.
My hunk is cool. My shrimp is good.
You like the flavor of the sauce? Good. Let this take about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Quick, delicious, gourmet style recipe, right? I like that touch of cheese on there. That's pretty good. We're rushing. It's really hot.
But it's delicious. Here's a little piece of shrimp I got from the Campbell's soup. It's a little orange piece. Doesn't compare to ours,
No.
but that was in there. Can you eat that just like soup?
Yeah, you're supposed to make it as a soup.
Oh.
It's made for cooking also. See, my mom used to make the dip recipe that was on the back. And there, it's nice to have a little shrimp like that in it, you know?
I didn't know that was
With cream
an old
cheese.
flavor. I thought it was something new. Cream of shrimp soup. Is that what it was called? Well, thanks for joining us again. I didn't know you were going to eat with us today. Thought we were just making a quick meal. But since you're here, don't burn myself again.
My mom also gave me a recipe box that has another shrimp soup recipe in it where it's made with biscuits. And we're going to try that too because
Just get right in.
you bake the biscuits on top of the
Oh,
casserole.
that would be good right here and now. It would soak it up. And... Ooh. I'm glad you took the tails off. Oh, there's one.
Of course, you got one
Found-
with the tail
That's
on.
okay.
I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. It's so
Yeah.
easy and
Real
so
good
quick.
flavor. Did you get salt and pepper?
No,
One with that?
pepper.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. That's good. You know, you got a lot of directions on how to wind up your spaghetti.
Yeah, I was going to wonder. Am I doing it right?
Some
I want
people
that
like
electric fork that spins.
grind it into their spoon, but some of the advice we got on our our pasta eating was to put the fork right down to the plate
And spin the plate.
and turn the fork.
Now that's another idea. Put this plate on a Lazy Susan.
And then take the
Turntable.
spaghetti on your fork and eat it. Now that does work.
However you get it in there, just get it in there. We don't have a problem getting it in there.
No. We like hearing your comments, so
Yeah.
it's fun.
Thanks for watching.
And
Please subscribe and pass the word to all your friends.
pass the word.
Try this. You'll like it. What's for dessert?
No.
You know what?
No dessert tonight.
Mm-hmm.
He says no about that.
What? I went to the store. I bought some stuff today. You saw me there.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Good, huh?
Good, huh?